Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on Litecoin. The day after, the update the day after the halving, of course, so there's quite a lot to talk about. We had quite a severe dump, obviously also fueled by the markets. I mean, Bitcoin wasn't necessarily bullish yesterday, of course, but overall this dump was really Litecoin specific as well, and that's something we talked about yesterday, of course, but we'll do a full recap and full analysis of what happens from here in this video. All right, before we dive into Litecoin though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group. If you want to join that, if you want to know what that all entails, you can go over to cilinix.com, or you can check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find out what it is, but also how to join and just in general what to expect. All right, so if you want to become a better and more profitable trader, check that out. But for now, onto Litecoin. So overall, just to do a recap, if you watch my videos, then you would have expected this. All right, I've always said for the last, and I even made an analysis, I think 2 days ago, is that I expected some sort of a bull trap, which arguably was on Tuesday, and then a dump. Because usually what happens in crypto, and that's just in general, it's good to know, is that usually before big events like this, the price is bullish like a month to 2 weeks before the event, and then the price actually drops down after the event. Personally, I call that buy the rumor, sell the news. It isn't applicable that much, but still. So that is what happens. I mean, the halving is over. So we actually had a huge rally right here in June when Bitcoin was also bullish. But apart from that, Litecoin rallied a tad bit higher. So now we're slowly dropping down to more normal levels. So personally, right now we're also seeing some bearish momentum from Bitcoin. My main support, and that's also the main support we talked about yesterday in all of my Litecoin videos, is between 86 and 84.5. That's the main support we have right now, but it's also a very strong support. As you can see historically, it's a strong support, and I should actually say that it goes all the way down to $84. All right, so 86, 84. We briefly touched $86 right now. I think we'll still drop down to $84, but for now, the most likely scenario I do think is that it will hold. All right, and that from here we can kind of consolidate and maybe get some moves up to the levels around $90 again. I don't expect an uptrend, especially not when Bitcoin is bearish like this, but overall, you know, stability with some moves up, moves down is at this point of time what the most likely scenario is. Now, I must be honest with you though, because I mean, that's what you expect from me. This can flip very quickly because Bitcoin right now, and unfortunately I have to take a look at Bitcoin as well. I'd rather not, but it's so correlated with Bitcoin that right now Bitcoin is very close to breaking down below 29,000. And if Bitcoin breaks down below 29,000, that's bad news for Litecoin. And honestly, I don't think we can hold $84 then. Then I think it's more likely, and that's why I'm saying it can flip very quickly. Then I think it's more likely we'll drop down to this level right here between like 82 and $80. And maybe I should actually say that this is more likely, because I do expect that Bitcoin will get that bearish breakout at some point. But it's just like Litecoin is holding up fairly well, I would say, but it's I would almost say that it's more likely that we'll consolidate a little bit on top of $84, but that at some point of time it is likely to get a move down to that $80 level. All right, so that's what I expect for now. From $80, I mean, we might be able to start some sort of a new uptrend, and we might recover a bit, but I do think that until we have dropped down there, we're going to be bearish. All right, that's given the market. That's mainly given fundamentals actually. And my expectation from Bitcoin, but it's also in line with Litecoin's trend. The market structure for Litecoin has been bearish for a while as well. So yeah, that's my take on Litecoin for now. If you do have any questions, if you want to discuss it or anything, I'm always open for that. But for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next videos, and bye.